Hello everyone, this is 𝘕𝘠𝘠𝘯𝘬. I want to share to you how to link your bank account to your AdSense account to receive your payments from Google AdSense. So to start, you need to sign in your Google AdSense account. On the left corner, there is the three bars. You need to click that one and go to the payments. As you see in here, there is what is said manage payment method, or probably if it's your first time to link your bank account, you will see add payment method. You need to click the add payment method and fill in the information needed in here. So if you are located in Hong Kong, your bank account must be located in Hong Kong and in Hong Kong dollar currency. So if you are in Hong Kong, this is how it looks like to fill up the information. I don't know of other countries also if it's kind of different, but I think in some countries there is a bit difference on how this looks like, especially the term used on the sort code. But more likely it is the branch code of your bank that is needed in here. So if you are confused which digit on your bank account number you need to put in here, it is more relevant to consult your bank to give you this information. So you need to put your name on the bank account, the name you used on your bank account. You need to put in here. Now next is the bank code. And the next one is the sort code. The sort code is the branch code of your bank. So it's more likely it's the branch code of your bank account you need to put in here. And the next one is the account number. The account number of your bank you need to put here also. You need to fill it up. And if you want that this bank account is the one you would be using to receive all your payments, you need to set as primary payment method. But because I already have my primary payment method, this is just a sample for you guys to learn how you can link your bank account on your Google AdSense account. I'll show this as sample for you guys. So you need to save the information. Now, after you have already saved the information that you have filled up, Google AdSense would be depositing a certain amount on your bank account within the next 3 to 5 business days. So after you receive it, if you receive already that certain amount on your bank account, you need to fill it up on. You need to fill it up here. So now it would look like this one while you are waiting for that certain amount to be deposited on your bank account. This one would be looking like this, like verification pending. So now, after you've received that certain amount in your bank account, you need to get that. You need to see how much is that amount that is sent by Google AdSense to your bank account, and you need to click the verify. So to verify your bank account, you need to select the amount needed, or you need to select the amount that is sent by Google AdSense to your bank account, and you need to fill it up in here. So if you have received 41 Hong Kong dollar, you need to pick it up here and then click on the verify button. So that's the way how you can verify your bank account. So to make sure that you have entered the correct information of your bank account associated to your Google AdSense account. So I do hope you learned something today on how you can link your bank account to your Google AdSense account to receive your payments from Google AdSense, or if you are a YouTuber, to receive your salary from YouTube. And it's your means to receive the payments that you are getting from your YouTube channel. So I do hope you learned a lot today on this video, and if you have any questions regarding this video, you can comment down below this video. And then if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and click on the notification bell, so at least you will get notified in to our next video. So thank you so much, and this is your midnight chime once again, and see you on our next video.